Assalamu alaikum. I don't have so much, but I just want to say I'm so glad my all brothers and my friends from Brampton Social Group, they come here. Thank you so much for you guys first. Without the Brampton Social Group, we are not complete. Brampton Social Group, Brampton, I just want to tell you, Brampton Social Group have a so strong group. Like example, if we have a one-person pain, the next few minutes we can get 50-30 people to say what happened. This is the quality of Brampton Social Group. And the second, I give you congratulations to you because I have a message from all among from Brampton. I call everyone. They are not in the some. They are not in the city. Some they are not in the area. But they give me a message, they say, just ask Patrick, all Muslim Pakistani community from Brampton are 110% support for Patrick Brown. Brother Mumtaz told me, brother Faisal, brother Ashraf, brother Faisal, everybody say congratulations to Patrick Brown. He is going to be a next 20, 10, whenever you want, one time, two time, third time, all time we are with you. Because we know you feel us. I have a special connection with brother. I don't know why I can do anything for him. Why? Because whenever we need him, he is just a text away. If we text him, he replies within a second. I don't know how he managed. But he always with us. Always love us. And thank you so much for everything that you do for us. We never forget. And finally, last, Brother صفدر. Brother صفدر, this program not be successful without you. Thank you so much, brother. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, everyone, for coming. Thank you so much.